Opa, I still have 3K to walk back to my car, and it's sure dark. And you can hear some of the Canadian geese stay on the water. Wow, wow, wow. Amazing. You hear them? Yuck, yunk, yuck, honk, honk. What a nice. Yes, maybe we can see them. Wow. Can't believe. There was a gazillion, maybe 50 left. I don't know if we can see them. But look how nice the reflection from all those cars. That's where I was earlier. And we have to say Buonanotte for our beautiful Calgary downtown. Lovely. Nice. Yes, that's the Calgary Tower there. You can see the reflection, amazing, huh? When it's flash. Oh, nice. Special video. Hope you like it. Come back. Aronnelife.